Blizzard of 2010. Ooh, look at the reef. It's pretty. Pretty, isn't it? Look at the snow. Look at the car. Look down the street. It's pretty. Okay, I think it's stopped. Oh, I just stepped in snow. Crap. Where's the mailbox? Can't see it because it's not there. Ooh, look. It's a man. I'm not gonna blow out the door. Shut up. It's a man. Who is that? And why are they walking in the snow? There's a man right there. He didn't say anything. Because I was about to say it's to the Bob of the Snowman.
Oh, that's the man live around the corner.
He's got cabin fever. Tag, Mom. Why you gotta say that? I'm not taking a picture. I'm doing a video. And that was the Blizzard of 2010. And continued.